In front of me is TCL 60X SE NXTpaper, and let me show you how to block a number. So at first open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon here and select settings. Here go to block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator over here, or you can add some number manually by yourself. To do it, just mark add a number and provide the number here. Tap on block and that's it. To remove the blockade, just tap on cross icon and confirm unblocking. Let me go back, and now you can also block particular contact. Okay, so I do not have any. Let me just quickly add some number. Okay, so once you want to block particular contact, just open your contacts, choose the contact that you want to block, and now tap block numbers. Confirm, and that's it. So this is how you can block contacts, block numbers on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.